Meaning of defenselessness.
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 Defenselessness. The word defenselessness refers to a state of vulnerability or weakness where one is unable to defend oneself from harm or attack. This condition can leave one exposed and defenseless, without any means to protect oneself or respond to threats. In such a situation, one may feel powerless and helpless, unable to resist or fight back against aggression. The result of defenselessness can be devastating, leading to physical or emotional harm, loss of control, and a deep sense of fear or insecurity. It is important to recognize and address situations of defenselessness to promote safety, security, and well-being.